In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Charles Schwab Brokerage account. First, a quick expectation check. You can't make a brokerage account disappear instantly like an app. With Schwab, you need to properly close the account and there's a correct order to follow so everything goes smoothly. Start by bringing your account balance to zero. That means there can't be any securities or cash remaining. You can do this in one of two ways. Either sell your investments like stocks and ETFs and turn them into cash, or transfer your holdings to another brokerage using an ACATS transfer. If you plan to keep your positions, the transfer route is the way to go. Just remember, Schwab will not close an account that still holds cash or assets. Next, withdraw your money. If you sold investments, allow about 2 business days for trades to settle before you move the cash. Once settled, transfer the remaining cash to your linked bank account. This avoids leaving small balances behind that would delay the closure. Before you request the closure, clear out any pending activity. Cancel any open orders you placed, stop recurring deposits or automatic contributions, and make sure there are no transactions in progress. If something is mid-flight, wait for it to complete so the account can close cleanly. Now you're ready to request the account closure. The fastest method is to call Schwab's customer support using the phone number listed on their official website or on your statement and tell the representative you want to close your brokerage account. If you prefer not to call, you can log in and send a secure message requesting closure. In either case, specify which account you want closed if you have more than one, and ask the agent to confirm any linked features that might be affected. After you've submitted the request, wait for confirmation. Schwab will typically send an email or a secure message when the closure is complete. It can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on pending items. Don't assume the account is closed until you receive that confirmation. A quick note on fees and taxes. Closing the account itself is usually free. However, a full ACATS transfer to another broker often carries a fee of around $50. So check Schwab's current fee schedule. If you sell investments, you may trigger capital gains taxes, so consider the tax impact before selling. If you have a linked Schwab checking account, closing the brokerage could affect it. So verify what will happen. Even after closure, you can still access tax documents for your records.